In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on live speech on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to enable live speech so that anything you type on the screen, then your Apple Watch will speak it out, then you need to turn on live speech. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here to enable or turn on live speech on your Apple Watch is press the two crown once to go from the watch face to the app menu, then select settings. Now scroll down and click on accessibility. Under accessibility, you just need to scroll down to the bottom using the two crown until you see live speech, then click on that. Then turn on live speech on your Apple Watch Series 9. Once that is enabled, you can just come down here and change the live speech voice. Click on this. Then you should see the voices available. Just hang on. Then you can scroll down and then select your live speech or change your live speech language here. So let's say select this. Then you can use the enhance voice or select the voice itself. Then speak sample.
Hello, my name is Daniel.
If you are satisfied with this, go ahead and click on use voice. So once you set Daniel as use voice, then when next you open or launch the live speech on your Apple Watch Series 9, then you should be able to use the live speech. Now to launch live speech on your Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is press the two crown 3 consecutive times. Type any text here. So let's say any text. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on the send button at top right.
Any text here.
You see that? Any text here. So that's how you can easily turn on or enable live speech on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.